Well, spring bear season once again. I just want to take a minute to tell you why I've switched from the traditional bear baiting barrel to a roller barrel. After years of baiting, we found a few things that work well for us. So one of the things we decided to do is switch the way we bait, and in doing so we've switched the way we set up our barrels. So we've gone to a roller barrel. So I'm just working on the last one. We're just closing up this big hole that traditionally we have. We're closing that up, and you can see we have a number of small holes here. I went to about 1.5 inches. Might be a little bit big. You might want to start with 1 inch. We just need to tap a hole in the middle, attach an eye bolt, and one of these, connect the chain to it. Very quick setup. That allows the barrel to roll around as they push it and feed. The other thing we got to do, just close up this, get that closed up, and again tap in a inch and a half hole, number of places throughout the barrel, and the feed we use as they roll it around, it slowly falls out. It's a good feeding system. It doesn't allow them to overfeed, and it keeps them coming back. It's a little bit cleaner. We work off the bag system now with grain, a number of other items. In another video I'll talk about how we feed, the products we use, and why we use them. Now that we've got this hole closed off, we can move to the lid. I use 2 nuts and a lock washer to keep it tight. With the final steps done, we are complete.